Welcome to our tutorial on how to set the time zone automatically on Windows 10. In this guide, we will show you the simple steps to configure Windows 10 to automatically adjust the time zone based on your location. Let's get started. Hello there, Windows 10 users. Are you tired of manually adjusting the time zone on your computer every time you travel or change locations? Well, you're in luck. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set the time zone automatically on Windows 10. Step 1. To begin, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, open Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. Within the Settings window, click on Time and Language. Step 4. In the Time and Language settings, click on Date and Time. Step 5. Look for the Set Time Zone Automatically option and turn on the toggle switch. Once you have completed these steps, Windows 10 will automatically set the time zone based on your location. The time zone drop-down menu will be grayed out, indicating that the time zone is now being set automatically. Congratulations! You have successfully configured Windows 10 to set the time zone automatically based on your location. This feature ensures that your computer's clock is always accurate, saving you the hassle of manually adjusting the time zone. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having your Windows 10 time zone set automatically.